diesel engines. Building on the industry-leading award-winning EcoBoost petrol engines, innovative technologies ensure that the new EcoBlue diesel delivers the combined benefits of high performance, low fuel consumption, and a more refined driving experience. Starting with a clean sheet of paper, Ford engineers have developed an all-new four-cylinder diesel architecture with a special focus on minimizing friction. The design of the crankshaft with 10mm offset to the piston reduces side loads under firing pressure to significantly reduce friction. A low-friction, maintenance-free belt-in oil drive belt design mirrors the award-winning 1.0 EcoBoost petrol engine and provides robust drive for the oil pump, as well as the optimized camshaft modules and fuel pump. The 2000 bar high-pressure fuel pump with high-efficiency gear drive delivers instant fuel pressure to the piezo-electric centrally positioned 8-hole injectors. Precisely controlled fuel volumes are sprayed into the special-shaped combustion chambers. To maximize efficiency, an innovative intake system ensures that airflow is evenly balanced in each of the four cylinders. It works with a clockwise swirl in cylinders 1 and 2 and a counterclockwise swirl in cylinders 3 and 4. This unique design, called mirror swirl, optimizes the burning process for higher torque, lower emissions, and reduced fuel consumption. With this, the new Transit Custom reaches improvements of up to 13% in fuel economy compared to the outgoing engine. The cylinder head features a sealed camshaft module that helps to reduce friction, weight, and engine size, as well as aiding manufacturing quality. A new compact low-inertia turbocharger reaches 245,000 RPM and is equipped with a special low-friction bearing. The optimized turbo design delivers increased low-end torque for better drivability. The engine has a specially reinforced structure for maximum strength and stiffness, and to help minimize engine noise. The aluminium ladder frame below the engine block reduces vibrations. Noise dampening cover on the intake system eliminate high frequencies, and a special tailored multi-layer shield on the front of the engine further reduces noise levels. This new 2.0-litre EcoBlue diesel engine is 4 decibels quieter than the outgoing 2.2-litre TDCi at idle. Ford engineers have designed an all-new integrated exhaust gas recirculation system integrated into the cylinder head. The innovative concept saves weight and space. The EGR is the first stage of the new exhaust after-treatment system, which helps make this engine the cleanest ever Ford diesel. Oxycat and diesel particulate filter are positioned close to the engine to assure a quick warm-up, followed by a SCR system that reduces NOx emissions. Urea is directly injected into the exhaust system to chemically convert NOx into nitrogen and water. For easy use, the SCR system, the urea filler, is positioned next to the fuel filler. Reduced fuel consumption, lower CO2 and NOx emissions, but still better low-end torque and higher power output, combined with outstanding durability and extended service intervals. The new Ford 2.0-litre EcoBlue diesel engine features state-of-the-art solutions and innovative design to take diesel technology to the next level.